There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out.
Seems like we're in a full flight.
Our flying time this evening is scheduled 1 hour 56 minutes.
Your voice. I know my limits. You can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away, to see you again. Millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken.
Alright, we're at Circus and it's about like 4 o'clock almost, and it's super windy right now. There's supposed to be like a dust storm or something like that. Never been in one, and it's super windy. It's pretty scary, not gonna lie.
Something that I'll enjoy. Move a little bit closer now, to some place where there ain't no crowds. I wanna get to know you right here and now. I got trapped in your touch the moment you took my hand. Led me all the way to the ocean sand. You told me don't worry as the moonlight gled. I pulled you in close, whispered I'm not scared. I'm losing control, the lights in this place keep jumping around, all I see is your face. Now you're moving closer, no time to escape. Your hand on my shoulder shoots me into space, and I can't deny how badly I need you now. I need you now, I need you now, I need you.
What's going on, guys? Hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was super fun being in Vegas, being in Seattle, but now that we're home, it's back to doing them Call of Duty videos. I got a lot of great video ideas coming up for you guys, one especially being my setup video. So my setup video will be out very shortly. As you guys can see, everything is gone, so keep an eye out for that video. I'm actually moving my setup to somewhere that's a little bit better. I can actually make videos daily for you guys. I just want to give a special shout out to my girlfriend Cassidy and her dad for giving me this opportunity and allowing me to move my setup to a better place. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a like if you did, and I'll see you guys in the next one.